Today we're at Aghnamara Shooting Range to review the ATA and the Mach 5 Realtree semi-automatic shotgun. This shotgun is £500 and I would say with the grip on it, the butt pad on it, and it actually is really comfortable to hold. It's a multi-choke. You can fit a strap to it, but I think you need to get another bit for this to replace it. So we're going to have a wee shot of that. It recycles clay cartridges, no bother. We've had a few shots of it today. It's in test from Twine Tackle, so we're going to get a wee go and see how it goes. I'm actually impressed with even the button and that's a wee bit bigger than the lever, which is ideal if you're working with gloves. I think it looks really smart in the Realtree. Oh. As a semi-automatic for recycling clay pigeon cartridges, it is absolutely ideal. Cool. Next one we'll do the 3 bangs, see how it goes. Cool. For a semi-automatic recycling clay pigeon cartridges, some of them don't like clay pigeon cartridges, but this one is absolutely bang on, as you can see. If you're going to use it for rough terrain and well filling, I would say it was a really good buy for £500. You could go a wee bit more up, you could get a Financier, or you could go down, you could be in an Escort category. They're all good guns, and it just decides on what your budget. I would be certainly looking at this one if you are interested in getting into the semi-automatic. It's absolutely brilliant for clay shooting, and it's really good for well filling. You can use the bigger cartridges in it when it comes into its own. It's a very flat shooting gun.